Silkamino Mega-Moisturizing Masker. A no buildup, deep conditioning treatment that strengthens, smooths, and softens fried country biscuits and crunchy or color processed hair. After cleansing hair with the Drunk Elephant shampoo of your choice, apply a small amount of Silkamino Masker starting at the ends and working up to the roots.
These ones smell like vanilla, by the way. The other ones smell a little like almond. This has a gorgeous vanilla scent to them.
Wait, what did you just say?
It smells good.
Buttery creamy texture, buttery cream, buttercream, creamy buttery texture.
It's a mask. It actually fills in the cracks and damaged hair. It's super reparative. It can be used once a week. It can be used as a conditioner.
I would use this as every time you shampoo your hair, conditioner.
Yeah.
100%. Rehabilitate your hair. High five. Look how pretty.